In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Workspace members in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful platform designed to help you streamline your workflows and improve team collaboration. Managing your Workspace members effectively is key to maintaining organization, ensuring security, and making sure everyone has the right level of access. Whether you're adding new members, adjusting permissions, or removing inactive users, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your ClickUp account using your email address and password. If you've connected your account to a provider like Google, you can log in through that option instead. Depending on your organization's settings, you may be asked to complete an additional layer of verification. Follow the prompts to verify your account if required. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace. You can check this by looking at the workspace name displayed at the top of the homepage. If you need to switch to a different workspace, simply use the workspace selector to navigate to the right one before proceeding. Next, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile avatar or account name. This will open the account menu from here. Select Settings from the drop-down options. This will take you to the Settings page. On the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, locate the section labeled Admin Settings. Under this section, click on People. This is where you'll manage all the members of your workspace. If you're looking for a specific member, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find them. Once you've located the person or people you're looking for, review the list of members, guests, and any pending invites carefully. This list provides you with a clear overview of everyone who currently has access to your workspace. Now you can adjust user roles and permissions as necessary. Make sure these align with the principle of least privilege, which means giving individuals only as much access as they need to perform their tasks. If there are users who no longer need access to your workspace, you can remove or deactivate them according to your workspace policies. If your ClickUp plan includes seat management, be sure to check how many seats are currently available before inviting any new members. This will help ensure you stay within the limits of your subscription plan. Finally, take a moment to review all the changes you've made to ensure everything is accurate before leaving the page. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to create your account and start managing your workspace today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.